be by Chester, VFR Nottingham 1,500 feet, squawking 5050, Golf Echo Foxtrot Alpha Mike.
Golf Alpha Mike, correct, hold on Kilo, I'll call you back shortly.
Hold Kilo, Golf Alpha Mike.
Golf Alpha Mike, taxi holding point Golf 27, QNH 1030.
Taxi Golf 271030, Golf Alpha Mike.
Golf into Mike, Charlie Golf, Tower, hello, hold on Kilo after departure, control zone by Chester, Nottingham altitude 1,500 feet, VFR, squawk 5050. Golf Lima uniform 27, clear to land, surface wind is 310 degrees, 9 knots.
This land Golf in uniform.
Golf Sierra Whiskey, take all bits of Jaguar car factory until advised.
It's busy.
Over the Jags, Golf Sierra Whiskey.
It's an ATR or dash 8. So go on, give me a line up and wait after the landing.
Golf Alpha Mike, behind the dash 8 short final by Golf Ethan, line up and wait 27 behind.
Behind the dash 8, line up and wait 27, right Golf Alpha Mike.
So doing something here that I do my best to avoid normally, which is flying on a busy Saturday in summer. Just lining up on runway 27 at Liverpool for a departure down south to Compton Abbas to help my daughter move all of her stuff back for the summer.
Jessie 5 Lima Bravo, taxi by uniform stand 1.
Taxi by uniform stand 1, Jessie 5.
Okay, all good, T's and B's are fine. Waves are on, transponders on, temperatures all good, holding into it now on.
Mike with left hand turn out 27 clear for takeoff, surface wind 300 degrees, 12 knots.
27 clear takeoff, left turn out, Golf Alpha Mike.
Golf Charlie Golf 5 Golf, you can line up and wait 27.
Golf Charlie Golf, runway 27. Golf Charlie Golf 5 Golf, land at 27.
Charlie Golf, Cessna 182 just airborne, also routing southbound to Chester. When you're ready with a left hand turn out 27 clear for takeoff, surface wind 290 degrees, 11 knots.
Copy the traffic, when ready, clear takeoff with a left turn, runway 27, Golf Charlie Golf.
Golf Sierra behind the PA38 by Golf, line up and wait 27 behind.
Line up and wait behind the P38 on 27, Golf Sierra Mike. Golf Sierra Hotel.
Passing 500 feet and turning left to head southbound across the Mersey to the Chester VRP. Not great engine out options at this point.
Okay, there's my visual cue. Motorway, south. I think he's going to pass me to radar pretty soon.
Golf Alpha Mike, contact radar 119850, right?
Radar 119850, Golf Alpha Mike, bye. Liverpool radar, good morning, Golf Echo Foxtrot Alpha Mike, routing Chester outbound.
Golf Echo Foxtrot Alpha Mike, Liverpool radar report Chester.
Echo Golf Echo Fox Alpha Mike.
Usually the Liverpool zone uses a one-way system, so with a westerly wind and runway 27 in use, you would exit at Chester and join at Alton Park, although as we'll see, this was not quite what was happening today.
Golf Alpha Mike, traffic is a Cherokee, will shortly be joining around the Chester area, northbound, not above altitude 2,000 feet, VFR, keep a good lookout.
Golf Alpha Mike.
Number 494, traffic is a Cessna 182, will shortly be leaving around the Chester area, not above altitude 1,500 feet, VFR is currently 4 miles north of Chester at this time.
Roger, many thanks, I'll keep a good lookout. Okay, well I've got my taxi lights on, I've got my strobes on, and we've got Sky Echo, and he's not appearing. I don't think they should have outbound and inbound joining at the same spot. Okay, there is possible altitude separation.
Little radar, good morning, Golf Victor Mike Charlie Golf, routing towards Chester.
Contact Mike Charlie Golf, just radar report, Chester.
Port Chester, Golf Charlie Golf.
November 494, that previously mentioned Cessna 182 is now in your 12 o'clock, 2 miles opposite direction, indicating 1,500 feet.
Roger, many thanks. We have him on TCAS, 494.
Golf Alpha Mike, that previously mentioned Cherokee is in your 12 o'clock, 1 mile opposite direction, indicating 1,800 feet.
Visual, and just a Chester now, Golf Alpha Mike.
Golf Alpha Mike, roger, basic service.
Basic service, Golf Alpha Mike.
Actually, we passed with just 300 feet separation.
Golf Alpha Mike, changing to Shoreby 133.150.
Golf Alpha Mike, roger, squawk 7,000, free call Shoreby radar, bye-bye.
7,000, bye, Golf Alpha Mike. Shoreby zone, Golf Echo Foxtrot Alpha Mike. Shoreby traffic, Golf Echo Foxtrot Alpha Mike, Cessna 182, overhead Shoreby 3,800 feet, 1030, routing south.
With Shoreby shut for the weekend, I was making regular calls to Shoreby traffic.
Copy that, thank you, Golf Sierra Lima.
Golf Tango Foxtrot Alpha Mike, Bryce, pass message.
I think that might be for Golf Echo Foxtrot Alpha Mike. So Cessna 182 from Liverpool to Compton Abbas, currently overhead Ledbury, 3,800 feet, 1029, requesting traffic service.
Golf Alpha Mike, squawk 3712.
3712, Golf Alpha Mike.
Okay, so he hasn't confirmed traffic service yet.
Golf Alpha Mike, identified altitude 3,800 feet, Bryce, QNH 1029 at traffic service.
Traffic service, 1029, Golf Alpha Mike.
There's the beginning of the River Sub. Hasn't taken long. 38 minutes or so since takeoff. Okay, I need to start thinking about my Compton Abbas arrival. It's likely to be runway 26. It is a right-hand circuit. 800 feet at QFE. It's already 800 feet above sea level. That's going to be a 1,600 feet altitude to circuit. Overhead join 2,600 altitude. If an overhead join is required.
Compton Radio, good morning, Golf Echo Foxtrot Alpha Mike, Cessna 182, inbound to you, 10 miles to the north, requesting airfield information.
Golf Oscar Mike, we are runway 26, right hand, QFE 1002.
26, right hand, 1002, Golf Alpha Mike.
November Yankee final.
Wind is 5 knots westerly.
Don't sound very happy. Compton Abbas.
Golf Alpha Mike is overhead, descending dead side, 26, right hand.
Compton Radio, Golf November Yankee downwind.
Charlie Echo's going off, we can see 30 minutes.
Beautiful sunny Saturday in June, and Compton Abbas was properly busy.
Compton Abbas, good morning, Golf Charlie Foxtrot Yankee Sierra's formation of 2 dynamic mic lights inbound, currently 8 miles to the west, requesting landing.
Things, yeah, Yankee Sierra, I think it was. We're using 26 right hand, the QFE is 1002.
1002 and 26 right hand, that's Golf Yankee Sierra, along with Golf Foxtrot Romeo Delta Yankee, intending the mic light circuit.
Compton Radio, good morning. Chipmunk Whiskey Delta 390, radio check code for information departure. You thanks 526 right hand, QNH 1032.
1032, making QFEs 1002 and 26 right, Whiskey Delta 390, roger.
Delta India, pass your message.
Golf Delta India's formation of 2 microlights inbound from the west with 7 miles to run. Understand it is 26 right hand on a QFE of 1002. Have visual on 2 dynamics ahead of us.
Excellent, information correct.
Golf Delta India.
Golf Alpha Mike is downwind, 26, right hand.
So amongst other traffic you might have picked up, there are 2 formations of 2 aircraft inbound.
Golf Victor India, Charlie, Charlie, ready for departure, runway 26.
Winds are 5 knots westerly.
Roger, Golf India, Charlie, Charlie.
So from this point on I'll play the full circuit unedited, because I get a bit of a surprise, as we'll see.
Golf India Charlie Charlie taking off.
So with Charlie Charlie taking off, I now assume, because I've heard no other calls, that I'm number one for landing.
Golf Alpha Mike is right base 26.
I wouldn't normally make a base call, but because the circuit was so busy, I thought today it was a good idea to do so, and I'm glad I did.
Oh, there's somebody in front of me. Where did you come from?
So I've just spotted somebody turning final, and I've played this back many times, and he never made a radio call.
Don't think around here, it's descending dead side for a 26 time.
On the Compton Abbas Poolies plate, it does state that non-radio aircraft are not accepted.
Golf Alpha Mike turning final 26, contact 1 ahead.
Winds are light and variable.
I have to go around it.
At this point, the non-radio aircraft is just crossing the threshold. Turns out he's actually doing a touch and go. But at no point, crosswind, downwind, base, final, going around, did he ever make a radio call.
Golf Yankee Sierra aircraft number 1 and 2 in the pipeline circuit downwind right hand 26.
Didn't hear you on the radio at all.
So I'm referring there to the one that's just gone around, not to the 2 microlights that I was aware of.
Chipmunk Whiskey Delta 390, we'll check complete, ready for departure 26, it'll be a left turn on the climb out. Compton Radio, Golf Bravo Sierra Alpha Whiskey, request radio check and airfield information.
A good reminder to me that in aviation, always expect the unexpected.
We are runway 26, right hand, QNH 1032.
26 right hand, QNH 1032, Golf Alpha Whiskey.
Chipmunk, winds are light and variable. Golf Alpha Mike, if you could go to the eastern end of the runway to park up, that would be very helpful, thank you.
Eastern end, Golf Alpha Mike.
Golf Charlie Charlie departing to the north, request frequency change for London information 124.750.
My first visit to Compton Abbas. It's a beautiful airfield in a stunning location with a great cafe. Thoroughly recommended.
Golf Echo Romeo is downwind, the 636